Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for day 194. This was the 12th of March 2023, a Sunday. So I did exercise, I worked on books, I worked on insurance, I worked on Livegood, made some calls, made some videos. So pretty busy day. And my gratitude for today is for the people who are over at Agent Autopilot. They have been helping out tremendously, redoing my ads and things like that. So I'm very grateful for all the hard work that they have done. I'm grateful in general for a lot of people, a lot of these different service providers and all the work that they do. Always remember that when you're grateful, doesn't matter if it's their job, doesn't matter if you pay them. Gratitude is a currency that you have in abundance. You have an infinite amount. And the more gratitude that you give out, the more things you get back in exchange for that gratitude. You just have to trust me. You have to just trust me on it. It's absolutely true. So just be grateful. Find any little reason at all to be grateful and blow it out of proportion. Blow it completely out of proportion. Be grateful, be grateful, be grateful. Be grateful for everything and everyone. Be grateful for every moment that you have. Be grateful for your wins, and especially be grateful for your losses, because I personally believe that when this life is over, you will have been grateful that you had the opportunities to play, not win. Winning's great. We all want to win, but the fact that we were in it to win it. The journey and the fact that we're on the playing field is the most important thing. It's more important that we played the game than if we won or lost. That's the whole secret to life, I believe. So, if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.